All right, and welcome to Drum Journal page 2. This time, I'm going to play around with the Samba ostinato for a bit. That's the ostinato with the feet. And then doing a variety of exercises and things over the top of it. I just started trying to learn the Samba a few weeks ago, and currently I am not anywhere close to being able to do just whatever I want and keep that going. So I figured this was the perfect thing to share in the journal, to share the struggle of putting in that work to get somewhere. This is going to be a great snapshot to take right now since I just started it. And however long down the road, I can come back to this and see how it's coming along. So yeah, with any of these drum journal videos, don't expect to find gold in here. If something cool happens, that's great. But for the most part, this is going to sound pretty terrible at times, but that is exactly why I'm doing this. So yeah, let's see what happens. Turn off the old Yeah, that's not great, is it? Oh man. Yeah, well, that is what it's like to to work through the struggle. Man, yeah, it's gonna take some time. Yeah, that was painful. But I'm sticking to this. I'm just gonna have to keep working at that because, I mean, I would love to be able to have a variety of things that I can also teach, and I got to be able to do it myself. So I'm kind of late coming back to getting into the drums again, but I'm having a blast with it. It is so hard to learn all the different things that you can do with this instrument, and the fact that you are having to figure these things out with all four of your limbs. It's just such a challenge for your brain, which is really good for it. But yeah, it's tough, man. So anyway, yeah, we'll come back to that maybe in a year after I've really put some time into it and see how that sounds. Oof. Please don't judge me on that.